Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix attention aware feature grayed out on your iPhone. If you fail to turn on or off attention aware feature on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. Go to settings of your iPhone and tap on Face ID and passcode. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID, and here scroll down and you will see the option attention aware feature. This is grayed out, neither you can turn on nor turn off. How to fix this issue? iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display expanding notification when blocked. So how to enable this feature? Tap on settings of your iPhone again, and here tap on screen time. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option screen distance. Tap on screen distance and disable this feature. After disabling the screen distance feature, now go to settings, Face ID and passcode, tap on it, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode, and here scroll down and you will see your attention aware feature is now enabled. You can easily turn on or turn off from here. That's all.